Summaread.
It starts with us. Lily Bloom had always known that her father was a violent and abusive man. Growing up in a household where fear and pain were the norm, she learned to keep her head down and stay out of the way. She tried to escape from her father's abuse through her love for reading, and found solace in books. But even as she built a successful career as a nurse, she couldn't shake the memories of her childhood and the trauma that still lingered in her mind. One day, Lily attended a business conference in Boston and met Ryle Kincaid, a handsome and confident neurosurgeon. Despite her reservations, she was drawn to him, and they began a passionate and intense relationship. Ryle was different from anyone she had ever known. He was smart, successful, and he had a way of making her feel special. He was also a bit of a mystery, and Lily found herself wanting to know more about him. As their relationship deepened, Lily began to notice signs of Ryle's fear of commitment and emotional intimacy. He would withdraw from her when things got too intense, and he seemed hesitant to plan a future with her. But she was in love with him, and she hoped that things would get better with time. She believed that she could help him overcome his fears and build a life together. However, as their relationship progressed, Ryle's past trauma and emotional baggage began to surface. He became increasingly controlling and abusive towards Lily, and she found herself torn between her love for him and her desire to protect herself from his dangerous behavior. She felt like she was walking on eggshells around him, and she didn't know how to make things right. Meanwhile, Lily's childhood friend Atlas Corrigan returned to town after many years away. Atlas was a successful artist who had traveled the world, but he never forgot about Lily, even though they hadn't spoken in years. As Lily reconnected with Atlas, she began to confront the painful memories of their shared past, and the impact that her father's abuse had on her relationships and her own sense of self-worth. As Lily struggled to make sense of her feelings for both Ryle and Atlas, she also began to uncover the truth about her own family history. She discovered that her mother had been complicit in her father's abuse, and that she had a responsibility to break the cycle of dysfunction in her family. She realized that she needed to confront her past, in order to move forward and build a healthier future. With the help of her friends and family, Lily began to find the strength to stand up to Ryle and end their toxic relationship. She also learned to forgive herself for the mistakes she had made, and to embrace the opportunities for growth and self-discovery that life had to offer. Through her journey of healing and self-discovery, Lily found a new sense of purpose and hope for the future. Ultimately, Lily was forced to make a difficult choice between the safety and stability that Ryle offered, and the intense emotional connection that she shared with Atlas. She realized that she needed to prioritize her own well-being, and break free from the patterns of abuse that had haunted her for so long. With the support of her loved ones, Lily found the courage to take control of her life and build a brighter future for herself. This story explores themes of love, forgiveness, and the power of personal growth and self-discovery. To break the cycle of abuse and dysfunction in our lives. It is a powerful and emotional story of one woman's journey to overcome her past and build a brighter future for herself.
For more book summaries, subscribe to Summaread and click the notification bell to stay updated.